Hey everybody, this is a quick little tutorial about how to find the median value of a number set. All right. So first of all, come over here and grab a pen or marker. It's up to you. I'm going to go with red. All right. So to find the median value, what you have to do first is you have to put the numbers in order from least to greatest. Okay, that's really important. All right, so here we have the numbers 13, 8, 11, 10, and 30. So I'm going to put the numbers in order from least to greatest. So 8 is the smallest, right? So I'm going to put 8 in this box. All right. Followed by, looks like 10. And then 11. And then 13. And then 30. And because we have an odd number of digits, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finding the median is actually quite easy. It's just going to be the middle number, right? So our median value is going to be 11. And there it is. All right. So the important thing is put the numbers in order from least to greatest. Okay. And if you have an odd number of digits, you just take the middle number.